Hey there, in this video you will learn how to extract zip file with Zarchiver. Now to extract zip file with Zarchiver, make sure you have downloaded it from your Play Store like this. This is if you have not downloaded it. As you can see, I've downloaded my own. You can see, and also make sure it is in latest version. You see. Now here, what you do after opening it is here. Now first, go to where you save the zip file like this by sliding down to find a folder, or go to a particular storage by clicking this top icon here, and then select the particular storage. You can see here I will select my SD card here. Now go to the folder where you save the file. Like here, I will slide down till I reach order here. Now click on it. Now here, find the zip file you want to extract. Now here, what you do now is to click on it like this. Now here you see extract here, you see extractor, you see extract. Now here, what you do now in here is to click on extract here. Now here, select the folder where you extract it on. Here you can slide down like this, or you can click on the top section to select the storage. Here I will click on my device storage. I want to show you an example. Now here, slide down till you find the folder where you extract it on. Here I will click on documents here. Now here, what you do now is to click on this icon here, this extracting icon here, to extract it like this. As you can see, I've extracted. You can see it. See the app here, the app I zip. So you can also find zip file that have password, ask for the password, and then extract it. You can also find zip file that is free, or RAR that is free. This is how to extract it. If you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. And if you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. Check out the playlist to know everything on Zarchiver based on tutorial.